You threw my phone away. You threw my tablet. There's a catfish.
Yay.
He's cool though. I like that Chucky thing.
Jordan, you're not
I
filming
hope
this?
it ends up working well.
What's the other one?
That's my front.
Okay.
What else do you do?
Peter called me for a bit.
I am.
What's in that other box?
Oh, what is it?
It's a cool catfish. John bought it for me because he broke my original one.
You're welcome. Hey, you pissed me the fuck off, man.
You got mad too quickly because I didn't say anything that bad.
Okay.
That thing's awesome though. Like I love that thing.
Yeah,
I just want to buy. Yeah, I want to buy.
I
it too.
need one now.
Everyone.
I need to see how big.
I think he's not that bad. He's actually pretty decent shape. Besides the color, like
What's wrong with that? Why does it look like weird?
it's just dirty. That's all.
At least you came today before you left.
Yep.
Oh, that's massive, man.
I told you.
Remember, she or he told you to be careful of the wires.
I know.
How much was it?
140. I paid a lot for it, but I really wanted one, so I didn't give it.
You know,
And
I'd
it
pay that
came with
for
the
it.
original knife as well.
You can buy one of those from the Chucky at like Spencer.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
They're like the same, right?
yeah.
Actually, you know, at Donovan's Mall, there are actually 2 or 3 of them left.
Yeah.
For like $80.
That's what made it opposite.
This is a lot of fucking work. At least you clean it, but
Here, are there scissors on that table?
Use like this. I don't know. Something like this. Stab the bag. Oh, you see in his teeth.
Oh, it doesn't really- But the ice on this is great.
What?
Yeah, that's not bad.
Does?
That's pretty decent.
wow, look at the head on that.
Smells like my Freddy.
Whoa, that's
This
sick.
thing smells like straight up weed.
Does it actually?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, John
Fleming?
likes that.
Yeah,
Oh
my favorite.
wow, it does.
It smells just like my Freddy that I got.
Oh, man.
So that.
It smells straight up like that.
Yeah, it smells like weed for sure.
My Freddy that.
No
my
wonder
20
why the guy had to sell it.
My 21 Freddy. Bro, there was weed in the mask. I opened the mask. I took the mask off. There's fucking.
No way.
There was.
It's funny because the head's still on. Like, it's not, well, it's leaning.
That's cool, bro. Jeez.
I kind of wish it had a base, though. It would've
They
been-
packed it really well.
They did pack
I've
it.
never really seen a funny person.
Well, this is not one of my favorite ones, but it's okay. I got a lot of them.
It's Joseph Hudson.
I love those. Yeah.
Wait,
Oh, he's got the original Try Me button too.
Oh, wow.
no.
Huh?
Wait, can I hold it?
Yeah.
I've never really seen. I've only seen him one in
This is a
person.
bitch.
It's brand new in the box.
Yeah, it looks saran wrap right there.
That's kind of cool.
Wait, that handle,
I like that suit.
handle looks just like.
Yeah, he is done
It kind of does,
it.
yeah.
Wait,
like a jack
False
though, right?
are something that I would like buy the entire
That's,
collection of.
that's
I'll buy
yeah,
one.
that's a Try Me button.
I only
Yeah,
have 2,
yeah,
and I
that's
like
like something that I would do. Yeah, that's like.
It's crazy how Jimmy made that. Like, nobody knows about
You
it.
know, I might actually want to get one myself one day.
But it's weird, nobody knows about this thing. Though.
I know, I never knew about it until Cole told me about it.
That's cool. I like
Oh,
that
you guys
thing.
found the chip bag?
Yeah, I found it was back there.
Oh,
That's cool though. I'm glad I want that. I got another one coming soon.
that's it. My horse.
Also cool.
I'm gonna take. Oh, he's got a yellow button.
Yeah, I know.
It's yellow.
So it's a prototype.
I would be very.
Idiot.
Wait, show me the knife.
Oh my god, there's so many.
Yeah, that's the original knife dish for
I'm
sure.
gonna-
I know it is.
That's cool. It does smell like weed though.
John probably likes this one.
Oh yeah, my favorite.
Yeah. And Joseph too.
I would probably try it once, but I don't
You're
like it.
retarded.
Try it once you get hooked.
Nah, that's not true. When you, that's what it's true with ice and stuff.
I don't know what the hell is
They
ice.
packed it like
You
too
don't know
well.
what that is.
They put saran wrap all over
Yes.
it.
You know that's good though.
Yeah, you know how
Better
good-
than it being
What
damaged.
the, they put like a fucking diaper on it.
What the heck?
What the hell?
Well, at least it packed it safely. That's amazing.
Why do you do all this dumb shit? Oh, why'd they have to pack them for this?
I guess they didn't want the head to fall.
I'd much rather prefer the head falling off than this.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's gotta get fixed anyway.
So I'm gonna smash
Yeah, I
it.
think I can hear
I think-
bits and pieces of it.
Yeah, it snapped, that's for sure, but like
No shit.
well, that's what I just said, that's for sure. Why are you looking at me like that?
Why, hello.
Oh.
That's pretty difficult.
This is the head
Oh,
turn
no.
too.
Oh fuck.
We'll fix it. Something will happen. We'll do something.
He tried taking.
God.
Oh my lord.
We'll fix
That's
it.
wrecked.
It'll be fine.
Oh, it
I
could.
took a pop culture.
Oh no,
not
it's,
bad.
no,
That's just
it's just here. No, it's around here.
Fine.
Oh, the problem is the body's all apart.
Yeah.
Because the screwover came out of place, so it's not.
It seems like you tried to repair it and didn't know how to put it back together.
Yeah.
Because the mouth stopped working instead. That's probably what the issue was. Here, somebody cut this while I hold it.
Here, wait, where are the scissors? Bailey got it.
Hello. I was gonna put this on YouTube, but
Get demonetized.
I think I am. I don't care.
So cool, dude.
Wow.
Don't monetize your videos, dude.
No.
That's
really
awesome.
I like them.
It's
Press the
huge.
button.
I didn't know it was that big, to be honest.
I'm not gonna test
What kind of
it.
speaker does he got?
Just test it.
Yeah, I need one of these now.
What's gonna
This is
happen if you
cool.
test it?
Probably a 1 watt, to be honest with you.
Yo, I'd buy
magnetic
one then like
point
speaker mod it. It sounds
Does he
so
take
good.
any? Does he just take batteries?
I think just batteries. Here, you want to help me start working on it?
Right
Can I
now?
see the mouth
See
for a
what the
sec?
issue is?
The mouth is huge on that.
Ultra mouth.
Yeah. Yeah, you want to start working on it so we can kind of figure out what the issue is before
Well,
we
with
fix
this
it?
mess on the table, we can't. So we have to just.
Just wait, we got heaps of time, man.
I'm not heaps of time. I want to start working on it. You keep saying we have heaps of time. You don't do shit.
But we do have heaps of time.
So you're not even gonna test it, or
I
just
No,
think you should at least test it.
Yeah.
Alright, well, I don't know.
How many
if we have
batteries does it take?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Probably 4 or 6.
It's probably on the back of the.
oh god.
Okay, there you go.
Get a screw.
John, what the hell is that for?
Yeah, see all the screw holders. Oh my god.
Oh my god, there goes his arm.
Well, hello.
Wait, what is his arm made out of? Let me
It's
see
like
it.
plastic.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, he completely took that apart. You know that doesn't. I don't think that matters that it snapped. I think once it locks in here, because that part locks in. See, this part's not snapped. It's this the body.
Where'd you get this from? eBay?
Yeah.
Yeah. He paid a lot
The mouth
for
is
it.
kind of stiff.
I don't care how much I paid for it.
Doesn't
really.
matter, yeah.
I just
Yeah,
happy
To be
I got
honest,
it.
I would have paid that too. if
I'm
I
just
saw
happy
it.
I got it.
Yeah, well, I wouldn't buy it.
Where's the battery?
Yeah.
Go.
Here you go.
Here,
Put it in for me, sir.
Fuck you.
yeah, I'll get ready to.
It's going on YouTube, so you know.
So we can see what.
I don't care. It's literally like storming again.
Oh, what? You just got black.
Yeah. What the hell?
All right, everyone, look.
Oh, it's thundering now.
It's what you do with it.
That's like
High pitched.
Oh yeah.
It's
The eyes just have split gears. I just got it to move. The gears split in here.
There we go.
I feel like the voice doesn't really sound like.
I like the
it's
phrase.
A lot of people say
No,
that.
I
Yeah.
want to
The
get one
mouth, I
speaker
hear the
mod.
motor running,
reason-
the string
the-
just snapped.
I want to go and hook it up to
I mean,
a
do you
big
agree with
speaker.
that? That it doesn't really sound like he did in the
The
movie?
thing is, no,
Yeah.
the thing is, the speaker's quiet because the body's
Yeah.
apart.
Well, yeah.
Once you put the body together.
No, this is really. That's
But
really
still,
how
it's
it
good.
sounds.
It's
very
good.
nice.
That's cool.
No, I'm saying loud.
It would be
quiet.
cool if you
I'm
used
not
one in a
saying-
hot, put like a spotlight on it and hooked it up to a big speaker.
I'm definitely getting one of those.
Alright, so motor's running from the mouth.
Yeah,
Eyes
we're
have a
done
split gear, and we just have to reattach the head. It'll be fine.
Sucker.
He's like, shut up.
Yeah, it is split. You can tell. That's cool though. I
Yeah.
want one though.
I like this one.
I can get the shipped easier. For sure.
Yeah, I don't really like the smaller one. I like the bigger
I
one
want to get
better.
the smaller one now because I have this one, but.
I mean, would you consider this a life size because
Yeah.
it's like the actual?
This is
yeah.
a Chucky
It is.
doll.
It's
Yeah.
a life
It's a
size.
Chucky
Yeah,
doll.
it's like a
life
full
size.
size.
I'm
doll.
probably gonna save it for the Trick or Treat Studios Chucky doll.
I'm
really
only
like
missing
it.
one more licensed character. Crypt
Which one is
Keeper.
that?
That's it, Crypt Keeper.
I
have every
Are you
other
gonna
one.
get the Trick or Treat Studios Chucky doll, the licensed one?
Maybe, I don't know. I'm
I mean, to be honest, that's kind of worth it. It's made from the mold.
Yes.
I mean, there is like I said, there is a couple.
It's
in
only
small.
110.
Oh, it's not. It has sensor mode too.
Keep playing on. Okay.
The neck motor's moving as well.
Well, which something just fell
Alright,
out.
this is almost 10 minutes. I'm gonna end it in a minute.
Oh, wait.
He didn't screw it back together. He tried to fix
This
it.
dumbass put a screw here and then put the plate on it.
It'll be
If you want me to
fixed.
fix that for you, I will.
Yeah, please.
I will. I'll do that whole thing.
Where's the sensor? I wonder.
I'll be dead.
I'm gonna say that the sensor's in the body somewhere.
Yeah.
I'm doing this in the work, so.
I don't know.
Well, we know it works. That's all. we know.
Look, everybody's just like
Oh,
gathering around John on their phone.
No, it's moving all the time now.
Hand me a flathead. I'm gonna take the batteries out.
Okay.
There's a couple of the wires that are kind of there.
Here you go. Just try to use this.
So I guess
What?
I can do that.
Are you guys done recording?
You want to bring it to Donovan's and fix that
Well, I'm
Donovan's?
gonna end it here. So that was
I don't want
Gemmy, Chucky, and Bob.
Congratulations,